Hey everyone, Tim Vath, Motorsports back here with you. Today we have got the new Hyperbusa. Yes, this is the new Hyperbusa built in a collaboration with Moore Mafia along with HTP Performance. HTP Performance did a fantastic job building the motor. This has also got one of those little snails hid under there. Our little turbo. Yes, I shouldn't say little turbo because this thing is capable of over 600 horsepower. This thing is an absolute beast. Obviously it's been lowered front and rear with Brock's Performance lowering kits and lowering links. We did do some tire changes back to the all-new Dunlop Q5 on that bike. The other thing this bike has, which is very unique, that none of the other Thunder Gray ones have. This one also has the matte black trim. We've taken the candy daring red off of it and put on the matte black. Again, there is the filter and that little turbo hid up underneath there, which that's actually power that way. But this bike here, again, capable of over 600 horsepower, and it is a absolute beast to ride. Chris Moore has been took this down to Mexico to do some testing with it over last weekend, and everything went very smoothly with it. He said it is definitely a handful to ride. There's only a handful of people in the world that can ride a bike of this capacity, but it's got the best of everything, both internally in the motor as well as externally, on the body. It's got the new Brock's Corbin cut seat, factory cut seat. We do have the rear cowl coming for this one, which is actually here. We're just waiting for, again, the matte black to get that trim piece laid over. But really a sharp bike, and wicked fast. As of right now, it is going to stay in stock wheelbase form. A swing arm may be coming for it in the future. It does already have an air shifter on it, of course, a Gen 2 clutch, everything that way, all the again, the best of everything. It does have the HTP handlebar kit, which is available for any of the new Gen 3 Busas. That certainly helps them. We can lower the front end down and actually slide the fork tubes up through those through the handlebar setup, which is a much nicer deal for lowering the front end on those, along with Brock's pull down strap to really tighten it down for the racing purposes. But just want to give you a shot of the new Hyperbusa here at Cycle Specialties Performance. Again, we're missing part of our sign that blew off this winter, but that will be getting on there soon with a new design. But the bike itself, very cool, very fast, and soon to be available to the general public, one similar. Tim Vath, Motorsports, and I am out.